we have to convert fractions to the decimal points. We have to convert the fractions to the decimal from a point. We know that we learn about the fractions. So here in front of us there are three examples, that is 67,831 upon 10. Like this, just we have increased the zeros followed by 1. Here are 1 0, here are 2 zeros, and here 3 zeros followed by 1. So for the conversion of fractions to the decimal, we have to count the zeros followed by the 1. In the first example there are 1 0, in the second example there are 2 zeros, and in the third example there are 3 zeros. So first upon we have to write down the number in the numerator as it is. So here in these three examples our numerator is same, that is 67,831. 67,831. So now what we have to do, we have to count the zeros followed by 1 in the denominator. So in the first example there is only 1 0, in the next example there are 2 zeros, and in the next example there are 3 zeros. So for converting the fractions into decimal, we have to put a decimal point from the left side, from the left side. So how many zeros are there? Only 1. So we have to put point over here. So the number will be 6,783. In the next example there are 2 zeros, so we have to give decimal points from the left side. So what will be the number? That is 1 and 2. The point or point will be here. So the final number is 678.31. In the next example we have to follow the same rule, that is we have to count the three numbers from the left, 3 points from the left, 1 2 and 3. Now the way our point is here, so the final number is 67.831. Like this you can solve the other examples also, followed by just count the zeros followed by 1, and then give the decimal points from the your left side.